Hello, welcome back. I am so sorry that I have been MIA for literally months. I kind of was just in a rut and didn't really want to keep putting out vlogs and just didn't really want to be filming other videos. And I know it's like, girl, you literally just started your channel. Crickets, I know. Anyway, today I thought I'm really excited because I got a really good steal on the Amazon Prime Day. Hold up. You're probably like, where the frick are you, girl? Okay, so I'm actually in my new apartment. I moved, yay! So Kayla and I, my roommate, who you've seen in vlogs, we both got a 2-bedroom, and so I'm like so excited. I love our place. I'm in our living room right now because this is where the best light is. So hopefully I can get this in before it goes down. But anyway, yeah, this is not gonna be the typical background, but we'll see, I guess. Anyway, back to the Prime Day purchase. So I'm really excited because on Prime Day, I got this thingamajig. Where's the name? There. So it's the Revlon One Step Dryer and Volumizer Hot Air Brush. Cool. So essentially what it's supposed to do is like give you a blowout without like the hassle of having a hair dryer and a round comb. So we're gonna see how it goes. Oh, I also cut my hair. God, so many new things happening. How fun. So we're gonna try this out and I'm gonna give my honest review. This is my first time trying it. We'll see how it works. You're gonna see me looking this way because there's a mirror over here. I couldn't get the situation right. But anyway, I really hope that it works out really well, because it would be really bomb if in the morning I could just do this. Maybe it'll prompt me to work out more in the morning. Let's just get into it, right? Okay, so it has 3 different settings. So you can go between cool, low, and high. It's not super loud. This is cool, low. Ooh, I can feel it. High. Off. Okay. I put hair protectant spray in, and also a little bit of like frizz help. I don't know how to say that. Frizz, anti-frizz. There we go. Anti-frizz like cream. I wonder if I should like part my hair off. Probably. So I guess. Okay, I'm just gonna like twist it up because I don't have a ponytail on me. Shocking, actually. I always have a ponytail on my wrist. And I'm just gonna go like this, and we're just gonna try it out. Okay, let's do it. Okay, one side done. It actually is like pretty good. My hair is like naturally pretty curly. I feel like I'll probably still have like a little bit of a wave in there, but honestly, like, I'm pretty impressed. It was super, super easy. Like literally you just like roll it under, like if you were gonna give yourself what? Duh. Yeah, I kind of like it. Okay, well I'm gonna try this side now. The first layer is done, and honestly that went like a lot quicker than it would have taken me to do the 2 steps of to get this kind of look. For me, it generally like will take me blow drying it first and then straightening it. So honestly, I'm pretty darn impressed. Okay, it was really warm. I always get warm when I blow dry my hair. If you don't get sweaty when you blow dry your hair, you're not human. I also like the cool setting because I feel like I can like set it. Also the brush, I feel like with other like round combs, my hair gets like taut in it. Like I get like, it's like, it literally gets caught in there and like I can't move it. But this one like actually just like does a really good job of gliding through and separating the hair. I am very impressed. Let's do the rest and then we'll see the finished product. Okay, well my roommate's coming in. She's gonna see this. I would give it a 10 out of 10. Hi. I'm doing a review on this.
What is it?
On the Revlon
Oh,
thingy.
I love it. Okay, continue.
Okay. I mean, I need some practice on how to actually style it. I feel like I need to get the angles right, but besides that, I feel like it did a really good job. I'm like, it kind of looks like I just straightened my hair. Usually when I straighten my hair anyways, it gets out of place anyway, so. But I feel like I have like good volume. I think it was super easy to use. I honestly, like, it looks really large. I expected it to be smaller, but it's a lot larger in person. But I really actually like it, and it's like very lightweight. I kind of thought it would be more clunky. It sounds like a hairdryer, so like it is a little bit loud, but it's not like anything crazy. And honestly, like, my hair is actually like, it's not frizzy. Like, I don't know if you can see that. I wish I was like going somewhere, but just going to watch The Bachelor on my couch. Hot date. Anyway, this is gonna be a lifesaver in the morning. I totally recommend this. I got it on Prime for a really good deal, like I said. So it's like normally $59.99 on Amazon. It is $53.99. I got it for $45 because I'm a steal dealer. Or deal stealer. I definitely recommend this for any girls who love to give themselves a blow or want to give themselves a blow or are in a rush in the morning when they dry their hair and just want something like sleek but not super straight. I think it looks really good. Again, I need a little bit of practice on like, you know, what ways you want to go, because you're supposed to go like up and down and around, and maybe that can be a different tutorial once I figure it out. I definitely say it's worth the money. A lot of people have been doing it compared to like the Dyson one. Dyson one's like $500. I haven't seen anything from like the videos that seem outrageously like you need the Dyson, unless you have like a special friend that can get you a deal. Maybe then. I really like it, and I think definitely worth the money. And if you guys end up wanting to try it out, I think you can get it at like Target, you can get it at Best Buy, you can get it like anywhere. I got mine off of Amazon Prime, but you can get it anywhere. If you guys end up buying it, definitely leave a comment below and let me know, and send me like a link or a picture or whatever. I'd love to see what everyone else thinks of it. If you hate it, also tell me. I'd like to hear that too. I kind of really wanted to try this out, and I thought it'd be really fun to show everyone. But anyway, like I said, I have a hot date with my couch and a glass of red wine, and I'm gonna watch The Bachelor Men Tell All, because who doesn't love that? Actually, a lot of people hate it. I don't like those people. Just kidding. Like and subscribe, leave a comment below, and let's get this rodeo back on. New videos are coming. I'm not gonna promise anything because I'm still getting back into it, but we'll see. Anyways, thanks for watching everyone, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.